Do you guys really want to know what I don't really like? No? Is when someone, like a random type of person, tries to drive my car. Who gave you fucking permission to do that, bro? Oh yeah, and I'm gonna drop a new song. It's called Bombalak Cars Accident. I was like pressing over here, but I didn't know the cars on. I wanted to like press here, but then I accidentally pressed it. But yeah, it's called Pink Cop. It's called Pink Cop. Pink Cop. Pink Cop Royco. I don't know why it's called that, but yeah, it's called Pink Cop Royco. So yeah, this car is really old, guys. I have like an old Toyota, so yeah. So what is like 5 minutes ago, my dad posted off on someone. Yeah. But, so remember, I'm gonna drop the